mountains. This is what you're going to show to Gemini. Here's what I want you to consider. And try to generate a prompt for it. A lone hut.
Super happy with that.
Say if you wanted to generate another one, you can draw a separate image or you can do another text prompt if you are interested. Like mountain heights, feeding the river, winding through silent peaks.
Yeah.
Alright, so try generating the shot.
Wow.
So that's kind of what you get with it. So now say you want to, it's funny how it keeps giving us thinking it's a video.
So I can edit.
But the models themselves do exist.
That's the final
and so you can see it still has the play button from the video.
Or it's flying. Oh wow, that's fantastic. Oh wow.
And then there's your golden
transition.
So in general, the overall here is it's showing how you can leverage a few of Google's existing models with Gemini, Imagine, and to go from a concept all the way to a short form video. So in general, what you see is you can go ahead and either give a text prompt or you can try to select a marker on the bottom and draw something.
Okay, so I'm gonna do. It's fun. I've been drawing right from my childhood.
Okay. So it sounds like sun, somewhere tropical, peaking between mountains.
And there's a home here. And birds. A boat.
Wow.
Okay.
You can try this lasso tool and select the whole image. So now this is what you're going to show to Gemini. Here's what I want you to consider. And try to generate a prompt for it. A lone hut nestled by a river.
Wow.
I don't know how we get both, river and riverbank. As mountains loom under the flight light of birds. Interesting. So let's say that you're happy with that and you can hit
I'm
generate.
super happy with that.
Okay. Then Gemini will be calling Imagine to try to generate what it thinks of your video. So it's funny, it generated it looking as if it's a video, even though there's no video.
Okay.
So what Gemini does, it does the prompt expansion to try to help you think about how to frame this. But now you can use Gemini as well to edit it. So say you don't like the play button here, so you can type it, look up this.
Okay.
And try to update the shot and see what happens. It's likely because the expanded thing is, hey, you're making a photo from it. So let's see. Oh, interesting. So it keeps the little play button, which doesn't really seem like it would do it. Let's say Gemini is fine and we're happy with that. So say if you wanted to generate another one, you can draw a separate image or you can do another text prompt if you are interested.
I can just drag it here.
Yep, just move it somewhere else and then use the lasso tool to pick our next item. Another image. All it's going to do is it's just going to stitch them together in video back to back.
Okay, so I'll just say. Okay, so it's a waterfalls.
So try using the
Lasso tool
to select it and we'll see if it can pick up that it's a waterfall. Water cascades from the mountain heights, feeding the river, winding through silent peaks. Alright, so try generating the shot.
Wow.
So that's kind of what you get with it. So now say you want to, it's funny how it keeps giving us thinking it's a video.
So I can edit. Okay.
Sure.
Add golden hour light. Okay.
Alright.
Read sharp.
And these are prompts that are given by Gemini themselves.
Okay. Wow.
Alright. So now you got a bit of the looks like early morning sunrise.
Yes.
And then you can hit the X here.
Okay.
And then you can hit generate scene in the lower right corner.
Okay.
And what it's going to do is now, when we look at the architecture model, it's going to now call
I'm going to put
VEO to try to place them together. So this is what it's, so based on your two images, this is how it tries to combine them and create a pseudo movie poster based on it. So say you're happy with this one.
Yes.
And then we select poster. Again, it takes about 90 to 120 seconds to generate the final video. Your QR code on your device is where it'll be sent to, so you can have a copy of it. And then again, the interstitials here show a bit about the journey going from Doodle all the way to a video. And again, for the purpose of this being a demo only, shows how you can leverage existing models such as Gemini, Imagine, VEO, stuff like that, to kind of generate it. And again, it'll show up once ready.
Okay, that's so it takes some time. Okay.
Yeah, it takes time. It takes time to show up.
This is awesome. Do you know when this will be available publicly?
So there's no plans for that to be public as far as I know, but again, that's not me, that's the usual press at Google type of thing.
Okay.
But this is just a demo put together for Next. But the models themselves do exist.
That's the final
and so you can see it still has the play button from the video.
Or it's flying. Oh wow, that's fantastic. Oh wow.
And then there's your golden
transition.
Yep. So it tries to just put the scenes together more than anything else. release of that.
What is it called like now? It's called VEO now?
Yeah, VEO is the overall model. So if you look at this part down here,
Okay.
VEO2 is the model that does the video,
Okay.
Image to video.
Gotcha. This
And
is
so you can find that even within the Gemini website and Vertex AI, stuff like that.
Wow. This is fantastic. Thank you so much, Vincent.
Of course.
Really appreciate it.
Enjoy
Yeah.
the rest of
Thank you.
GCP next.
So can I scan that?
Yeah,
and then
scan
get
this
the
right
video?
here.